Good morning. Today I am going to explain a problem which explains about area, volume and mass. One of my colleague, he want to buy gravel for his backyard and he don't know how much gravel he has to buy, how many trips he has to bring gravel. So I asked him about his backyard dimensions. So he got rectangular backyard which is 4 meters length and 3 meter width, and he want to fill this one, all this area with the gravel of 50 mm thick, up to 50 mm thick bed he want to lay on his backyard with the gravel. So to tell him how much gravel he need, I asked him some information. I will tell you through when I explain the problem. So first I find the area of his backyard. Area. What is the area of rectangle? We know its length into width, which is 4 meter into 3 meter, which is 12 meter square. And now we have to find the volume of the gravel. How can we find the volume? Area into thickness, or LBH. Volume of gravel is area into thickness. Area we got 12 meter square, but thickness is, he gave us 50 mm, but we got the units here are in meters, so we have to convert 50 mm into meters. So we have 1000 mm is 1 meter, so 50 mm, how many meters? Should be less, so 50 by 1000, so 5 by 100, we got two zeros, so we have to move the decimal this way, 2 zeros, 2 places, one and other one, it comes 0.05 meters. I explained this one in another class, how to convert units to thickness. What thickness we got? 0.05 mm, which is 12 5s are 60, and how many decimals? 60, and how many 2 decimals? 1, 2. It is 0.6, sorry, here it is meters, 0.05 meters, 0.6 meter square into meter cube, 0.6 meter cube is the volume of the gravel required. So he asked me how much is the weight of the gravel. So I asked him one question. What is the density of the gravel? Density of the gravel. So he asked the supplier. The supplier told him is 2000 kg per meter cube. I will explain about density in other class. Density is mass by volume. So he gave like 2000 kilograms per 1 meter cube. So 1 meter cube of gravel weighs 2000 kgs. 1 meter cube is 2000 kgs. And we got 0.6 meter cube our volume. How much? So 0.6 is less than 1 meter, so it would be less. 0.6 by 1 into 2000 kgs. Which gives us 1200 kg. So 1.2 ton. He said one trip he can bring 600 kg. So he needs 2 trips. Thank you. In next class, I explain clearly about density and how to convert the units. Thank you.